Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for all the expecting mothers out there, that is summer eating habits during pregnancy. Summer is a time for refreshing drinks, ice creams, and outdoor gatherings. While the heat may tempt you to reach out for cold beverages or indulge in some treats, it's important to make mindful choices for the health of both you and your baby. Let's explore some refreshing and healthy alternatives. Let's start with the temptation of cold beverages. While they may seem like perfect way to beat the heat, excessive consumption of sugary drinks or caffeinated beverages can lead to dehydration and even affect your baby's development. Sugary cold drinks like soda and packed juices may seem so refreshing, but they are loaded with lots of sugars and chemicals that aren't beneficial during pregnancy. Indulging in excessive high fat desserts like ice cream can lead to weight gain and may even contribute to gestational diabetes or other complications. Caffeine rich energy drinks may provide temporary energy boost, but excessive caffeine intake can increase the risk of miscarriage and low birth weight. Now, let's talk about everyone's guilt pleasure, junk food. During pregnancy, indulging in fried, processed, or high fatty food can lead to digestive issues, weight gain, and even nutrient deficiencies. Soft cheese made from unpasteurized milk can contain harmful bacteria like Listeria, posing a risk of foodborne illness during pregnancy. Instead of reaching for these greasy snacks, focus on nutrient rich alternatives like fruits, nuts, and whole grains. Now, coming to our beloved summer treat, ice cream. While it's undoubtedly tempting, pregnant women should be cautious about consuming unpasteurized dairy products. Processed meat like hot dogs can harbor harmful bacteria like Listeria, which pose a risk of foodborne illness, particularly dangerous during pregnancy. Now that we have highlighted some food to avoid, let's explore healthier alternatives to keep you and your baby happy and hydrated. Swap sugary drinks for infused water. Add slices of fresh fruits like lemon, cucumber, or berries to your water for refreshing and hydrating treat without added sugars. Coconut water is a natural source of electrolytes and can help you to stay hydrated without added sugars found in many commercial beverages. Make your own smoothies at home using yogurt and fresh fruits. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and are delicious way to cool down. Frozen fruit popsicles made from pureed fruits are nutritious and refreshing alternatives to high-fat desserts like ice creams. Opt for grilled vegetables and lean meat instead of processed meats like hot dogs. They are healthier options that provide essential nutrients without the risk of foodborne illness. Before we wrap up, let's address another common scenario, the temptation to opt for ready to eat or ready to cook items to avoid spending long hours in the kitchen during summer. Consider doing simple meal preps at home using fresh ingredients. You can pre-cut vegetables, marinate lean proteins, and store them in fridge for quick and healthy meals throughout the week. Opt for easy to make meals like salads or sandwiches. They are quick to assemble and you can customize them with nutrient-rich ingredients like green leafy vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Experiment with one-pot meals that require minimal effort and cleanup. These dishes can be nutritious and delicious as well without the need of lengthy cooking times. By making few simple changes in your meal planning and preparation, you can enjoy a healthy homemade meals without spending hours in your kitchen. Your body and your baby will thank you later. It's perfectly fine to enjoy refrigerated items like fruits, vegetables, dairy products as long as they are stored properly and consumed before their expiry dates. Using indoor fans and air conditioners can help you stay cool and comfortable during hot summer days. Just be mindful of not setting the temperature too low to avoid excessive exposure to cold air. Incorporate light exercises like walking, swimming into your daily routine to stay active without overheating. And don't forget to protect your skin from sun's harmful rays with sunscreen and lightweight clothing. Ignoring symptoms of heat exhaustion or heat stroke such as dizziness, nausea, rapid heartbeat, or confusion is a bad escape idea. These symptoms require immediate attention, and failing to address them could lead to a serious health consequence. Using ice cold water for cooling may seem refreshing to submerge yourself in ice cold water or take extreme cold showers to cool down quickly. It can actually shock your system and lead to vasoconstriction, which may make it hard for your body to dissipate heat effectively in the long run. And finally, let's explore some best food to enjoy during summer. Load up with hydrating fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, and cucumber, as well as include green leafy vegetables and citrus fruits packed with vitamins and minerals. Whip up some refreshing salads with a mix of colorful vegetables and lean protein for satisfying and nutritious meal. And don't forget to listen to your body's craving while making these healthy choices. Well, that wraps up our guide to healthy summer eating habits during pregnancy. Remember, taking care of yourself means taking care of your little one too. Every choice you make during pregnancy matters. Stay cool, stay hydrated, and enjoy this special journey to motherhood. Thank you for joining me today. Share this with your loved ones. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you in my next video.